Introducing the 8090 Specialty Engine Brush Kit from Innovative Products of America. The 8090 is a set of innovative specialty brushes designed to meet the everyday needs in shop environments, from cylinder heads, injector ports, injector seats, and most holes, ports, tubes, and seats up to 22 millimeters. The kits are available in stainless steel and brass. You can start with the stainless steel brushes to remove hard carbon materials from the walls and seat, then use the brass kit to polish them until they are like new. The Helix brushes range from .990 to 1375 and are designed for deep seat cleaning. The two-stage brushes are .5, .75, and 1 inch, ideal for seat and inner seat hole cleaning. The 6 included bore brushes range from 8mm to 19mm, great for bore and tube wall cleaning. The driver handle features a spring-loaded quick-lock coupler to easily connect the brush for use. The 8090 also features 6-inch flexible and rigid extensions for hard-to-reach areas. Also included are 400 assorted, low-lint, flexible, industrial-grade SWAB-EEZ with 5mm to 20mm diameters. These are very useful for cleaning delicate or hard-to-reach areas, as well as applying shop chemicals and lubricants. The 8090S and 8090B Specialty Engine Brush Kit from Innovative Products of America can be used for any number of jobs around your shop, from cylinder heads, injector ports, injector seats, most holes, ports, tubes, and seats up to 22 millimeters, and much more. Check with your local distributor for availability. Learn more about this and all of IPA's other innovative products at IPATools.com.